So why are you supposed to always oil a bat and always put a toe guard on there? This is why. This is exactly why you always oil a bat. You always put a toe guard on your bat. You are supposed to always oil your bat. Always put a toe guard on your bat. This is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful $500 bat. Not oiled, toe guard not installed. You see this? See this? You always oil your bat. Always, always, always oil and knock your bat. Always, always, always oil and knock your bat. Always, always oil and knock your bat. Always, always put a toe guard on your bat. If you learn nothing from me and you learn to oil and knock your new bat and put a toe guard on your bat, I would have done my job.